Hi, my name is Bruce Stewart, and I represent Team Skanska. Our positions for Workshop 4, Safety Mock Trial, is that of the Legal Defense Counsel for the city, which is the holder of the bond that provided 50% of the cost to build the new stadium and will share 50% of the profit. Our position is that our client, the city, is 100% not responsible for the tragic and unfortunate events that led up to this civil case. Simply put, the plaintiffs do not have sufficient legal standing to bring any sort of suit towards the city. Since the city was only involved in financing the new stadium, we believe that the ability of the afflicted parties to demonstrate to the court sufficient connection to and harm from the law or action challenged does not support that party's participation in the case. As such, no party involved has a legitimate claim against the city, as there was no city involvement. An analogy I would use to characterize this would be if someone drove a car into a pedestrian in a city park. Yes, the city does own that park, but the fault lies entirely with the person who drove their car into a pedestrian. This is exactly the same case here, except the city does not even own the stadium, which further weakens any claim against the city. In conclusion, as the legal counsel of the city, Team Skanska asks the court to throw out these proceedings against our client, the city. We believe that the plaintiff's legal efforts would be better directed at finding resolution against the parties who are actually responsible for this horrendous accident. Thank you.